Hi there. Hi there. Okay, so in today's video, we not we I huh, I am going to talk about a line which I think you should inculcate in your daily life. Yes, I'm talking about a line, just a line, not a habit, but just a line. But before that, let me ask you a very simple question. It's quite simple. So the question is, uh, if you are in a relationship, then how much do you think should you be responsible? What should be the ratio actually between the two partners, between the male and female? Tell me. I mean, you can tell yourself in your mind. It could be 50-50, right? For most people, I think it would be 50-50. For some people, it would be 80-20. For some people, it would be 51-49. For some people, it would be 95-99. But I think, I don't think, I believe the ideal ratio should be 100-0, and that's it. No, seriously, you should be willing to give 100% and expect nothing in return. I know it's quite bookish, but यार तुम मिक्सी चला लो पहले. Okay, I know it's quite bookish, but seriously, think about it. If you are giving 50 and expecting 50, then don't you think that you are being vulnerable and you are being exposed to the harm you can cause in the relationship? No, seriously, just have your game, right? Just have your game to play when you are not with your partner. So the whole point of this example is just that you are responsible. You are 100% responsible of your doing, and that was the line which I wanted you to inculcate in your daily life, because I think by adding this line as an affirmation in my daily life, I think I am becoming quite active. Instead of blaming others, if only we could if only we could see that little point in which we could work, so that the situation won't go wrong in the next time or maybe in the upcoming time, then I think it could create massive changes in the long run. For instance, let's take example of, yeah, for instance, let's say you are getting late for the office, right? Now you will say, how could I be responsible for that? Because if you live in Delhi, there's a lot of traffic, and if you got late because of the traffic, then how are you responsible for that? So at one end, you are not. Why should I lie? You are not responsible for that. But if it was genuinely important day, for instance, let's say you were about to meet uh, a professional or a big guy, you had a big meeting on that day, then you should have come early, right? You should have prepared to go to office earlier, maybe around 2 hours before, right? So at that perspective, you are wrong. You are wrong. If only you could see every situations objectively, then I am sure you would be able to find the errors, the human error which you are making. And it's not that it's not it's it is not the thing which is, what the hell am I saying? Okay, sorry. It's not the issue that you are making error. The issue is you are not reflecting back on that, and that's it. And the point in which you are lacking is the self reflection part. You might have heard of it a lot of times. I am not going to repeat it. The point you are lacking is that you are not accepting that you are responsible for everything, literally everything, everything inside yourself, everything outside yourself, everything nearby yourself. If the government is not doing their work, you are responsible. At one end, you are responsible. Maybe at another, you are not, but at one end, you are for sure responsible. If you are going out with your friends because they are forcing you, you are responsible. You always have the choice to say no, right? You always have the choice. If you are eating shit because of your friends, You are responsible. You again, you have the choice to say no, right? If you are staying in your house and you just can't go outside because your parents are not allowing you, allowing you, you are responsible. Get out. Get out of your house. It's your life. It's your life. I know they made you, but maybe at one end God made you too. So for the sake of God, if you believe in God, for the sake of God, get out. You are responsible of your doing. If you are not able to, if you are not doing a job because your parents think that it's too cheap to do this 12,000, 15,000 job, and if you think that it is going to go big in the long run, go for it. Leave the house. Ask your friends for the help, for the money, for the rent, for the house. They will help you for sure. There must be someone, right, in your life who is going to help you. And you know what? The parents, the parents are just your parents. You can, they will get back. They will get back at you. I know that. I know that. But I am not convincing you to just go out right away. Okay, think about it. Have a debate. Convince your parents. Give you 100%. Just remember this, and I just want you to repeat this line daily. See, I don't believe in law of attraction, but I do believe in affirmations. I think if only you could add this line in your daily routine whenever you see a mistake, whenever you are blaming at other whenever you are blaming other people, I would like you to please say this line: I am responsible for 100% of my doing. Okay, thank you.